Afternoon, guys. So a bit of a belated video then for one of my, bit of a shelf queen, this one of my Jonsered 820s, and had some really interesting questions. Well, one question in particular was really interesting, which I'd had about this saw, which I hadn't contemplated before, which was what were the needle settings for the 820, because it was an indication of the wear on the engine and the carburettor. So I'd love to hear any feedback on that. So she is literally really quite strictly at 1 in 1 almost exactly. I guess depending on your fuel mixture there might be a 5-minute deviation or 5-degree deviation either way, but so as far as I can tell it's all original. I believe this was one owner. I've had it from the gentleman's estate, and she has since been cut with by me maybe 4 times, or yeah. So interestingly as well, the CCs then of the 820, 810, 820, 830 and then the 920 and 930, a lot of people think there's 10 cc's difference between them, but of course this girl is a 52mm piston, 38mm stroke, and there we go, her founder sister, if we like. This is the Jonsered 80, started life in the 70s, 1970. So 5238 again, same internal engine, and some 15 years later this girl is making just more horsepower in a slightly more refined fashion, and better AV mounts, improved pull start housing, just a load of improvements, fully adjustable chain oiler, and beautiful running engines, Swedish professional saw. So yes, so that was the question about that. What was the power delivery like with the blade fully sunk into wood? So she's running, I think this is a 20-inch bar. This is running an Oregon semi-chisel chain. I've got some 20-inch wood set up, which is the bar. So we'll take a couple of discs. Hopefully that will answer the other couple of questions. How does she perform with the blade buried? And she also comes with a brand new Oregon 73 LPX chain. I took her out the packet for fitment, and then never been cut with, so it's brand spanking new, just an open packet. And I just had her hung on display with this Oregon professional bar with the semi-chisel chain, but they are just gorgeous running engines. Great compression engine. Oh, hang on. There. He says. So straight up to top revs, impeccable running, straight back down to a rock steady idle, excellent chain brake, fully adjustable chain oiler working really well, and damage wise the saw is completely unblemished. He's one of my most perfect 820 examples. Virtually no paint scuffs at all on the clutch cover, is beautiful. Hand wrap, front wrap is perfect. AV mounts all tight all round. Paint on the rear handle spectacular. Even on the underside, paintwork spectacular. Original label on the right hand side for the clutch cover is excellent. Chain brake excellent. Serial number badge present, not damaged. Correct filler caps. So she's just a beautiful example. Right, this will be fun. Here we go. Let's take a couple of discs. Hey guys, so I hope that answers the question. She is an impeccable running saw, and so that's the cuts using the semi-chisel chain. I dare say again, somebody more accomplished at sharpening would probably get a better edge. But that's interesting. That's the same timber I was going through the other day with the Danon 110 and with the XF, and I'd have been hard pushed actually to tell if there was any different, or maybe the Jonsered actually in this test was fractionally quicker. Might be quicker, might be a lot quicker in fact. So there she is. That's the gorgeous Jonsered 820. Actually, I'm saying Jonsereds. Of course, she doesn't have the S at this stage, and that's quite interesting as well. A change for that manufacturer. Show her on a restart. Kill switch. Hey guys, thanks for watching. So that's the, and she really is, in terms of her condition, circa 40 years old, from the 80s, and just in impeccable condition all round. Any questions guys, please just ask if I haven't covered it, and stay safe. Bye for now.